Hello everyone, welcome to the Word Lessons. Today I will introduce how to insert the text box and link. Actually, this is the last course of Word, and I will assign a homework. You have to finish this homework by using skills that learning in the previous courses. First, why do we insert text box? Why don't we just type in a word at the place we want? The reason is that the normal text which typing in a line only can stay in line. We only can move this text from line to another line. We can move it freely like a picture. The concept of a text box just like the mixture of the text and picture. It allows us to move our text freely like a picture. You can move your text anywhere in the page. At course 6.1, I will show you how to insert the text box. First, click the Insert tab. Second, click the text box ribbon. And click the simple text box. And the text box will show up. At course 6.2, I will show you how to editing the text box. You can click the text box and type some words inside. And you can also change the word size and font. Just like design the picture. Click the text box first. You can also change the text box size by dragging the dots in the corner. Then click the Format tabs. You can select your favorite words and shape style. At course 6.3, I will show you how to insert a link. What is link? Link is a button. After clicking this button, it will bring you to the website which the address shows. First, go to your favorite video site and copy the address. Then paste the address on the document. After pasting the address on the document, press Enter. Then the address will turn into a link. Then press the Ctrl key and click the link. Then you can go to the site. At course 6.4, I will show you how to insert a link on the picture. There are a different way to insert a link. Instead of directly make the address into link, we can also make a picture into a link. First, click Insert tab, then click Picture ribbon. Click Course 6 Picture. Click the picture and click the right side of the mouse. Select the link option. Paste the address into the box and click OK ribbon. Then your picture turns into a link. Press Ctrl key and click the picture. It will shift to the website. At the last part of the lesson, I will assign a homework, my resume. This is the example of homework. You can regard this example as a reference and create your own resume. Here are some hints. You have to add a title and insert a table. Also, you can change the background color of the page and add a link. You can also type some feedback to us in the text box and insert some picture below. Finally, don't forget to add a page number on the bottom of the page.